Hello everybody, I'm back and I changed my house. Just so you know guys, this is actually the same world. See, you have the desert outside, you have the stupid trees in front of my door, and we also have one door. Sad. Also, we have the same mine, but I just made a magenta house. Yeah, no diamond bars, because I never get any extra resources inside of creative mode, unless I'm building a house. Or in fact, I'm getting random torches for no certain reason. Yeah, you can see. Like, I'm just gonna be like, over here. I know I always keep my stone sword with me. He's a mob comes and try to kill me. Still, like, literally. So, like, I'm not the best Minecraft YouTuber in the world, but I know how to play Minecraft, okay? Okay, now I forgot that I kind of... Nope, that was a failure. Because look, it's like magic. Look, it just eats the carbon and the carbon goes straight through it. Isn't that weird? Hi, carbon. Oops. A little sad. No, I keep forgetting that I cannot jump from the bed onto this. It's like, isn't that like annoying? Like you cannot do this. Wait. I don't even start bouncing like a psychopath. It's sad. Well, yeah, I'm kind of laggy. What? Hold on. Look. 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 Guys, another thing, don't judge people's gender just because of their voice. I still can't figure out what the zombie noises are. Are they inside of my basement? Just kidding, my mine. Mine. The lag. Three little monkeys jumping off. One little evil wolf jumping on the bed. It didn't go off and bonk his head, instead it just went to sleep. That failed. Last time. One little wolf jumping on a bed. It didn't fall off because it went too bad. What? One little evil wolf jumping on the bed. It didn't fall off because it went too bad. Now I might want the torches back, to be honest. I have one question. Can you place torches on top of the carpet? Wouldn't it be funny if you could just place torches on top of carpet? Hold on, why do I have no food? Like, you know, like... No, we can't. What? Whoa, hold on. It didn't go on one. Oops. Totally forgot that I didn't have torches inside my house. You know what bad happens when you don't have any torches in your house? When it's night. Unless also you don't have a bed, the mobs spawn inside of your house. Dun dun dun. Yeah, I never said that. But still, people, I still have a really laggy game. So, like, my dad's probably gonna make like a server for me and my big sister. Big brother, because her skin is a boy skin. My skin makes me gay. Because I don't really have a mouth and you can't tell. And my skin makes me gay. It's not the happy gay. It's like my skin is myself. My skin looks like myself. Literally. My skin looks like myself. Wow, it's the best. I want to change my YouTube name right now. Because, like, I can't even find it. Well, anyway, this is 2019. And I want to change my YouTube name. Because I can't even find my YouTube channel. Okay, one sec. How am I sprinting? I actually accidentally did this. Spinning makes me like so fast, especially when like trampolines. This is real life talk. On trampolines, sprinting makes you go fast, right? Like trampolines make you go fast. Isn't that weird? No, I'm really weird. I have a stone sword. What's wrong with the stone sword? What? By the way, Jane. Why do you only have 2 subscribers and not very many videos? And I have like 55 videos or so. By the way, this is either the 6th or the 7th or the 5th video that I have made today. I might have to check. No, that was a failure. Let's just see, like, I'm just doing a bit of parkour inside of my new house. It's new, come on, I love it. So I don't get how, like, the chest, like, literally eats all that, like, the carpet. Isn't it weird? Probably should have, wait, do I have any iron left? No, I forgot, I used all of it. I'm gonna be mining while I'm not recording. I'm sad. Might as well just fight a few mobs outside to get some. Yeah, I'm gonna get some wood. I don't have an axe. Do I have an axe? Oh yeah, I have an axe. And some iron stuff. I'm just gonna get some wood right now before I go mining again. What's that sound? What's that sound? Did you hear that? Did anybody hear it? It was like dun 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 dun. It's like weird. I kind of scared because a lot of my worlds are haunted. I didn't know seed on one and like it was still haunted. By the way, if you want to see the video.
Dude, by the way, I'm haunted. What's the video called?
It's called Stupid Video Kids Don't Watch. It's actually called that, guys.
Oh, remember that? Oh, I remember making it with you.
Oh, alright, remember you were doing like stupid talk? Well, yeah. By the way, I never said any bad words on my other video. What? The lag, what is happening? I feel like you're right inside of this world, literally. It's like so laggy. It's like the laggiest world that I've ever had. I'm just chop down after I get like a few more pieces of wood, as in one more piece of wood. I'll be done. I'm just gonna do this turn it all into sticks. Times 4 equals like 1,000,000 sticks, right? Hold on a second. Is this a spider? It's so cute. I know, and ugly at the same time. I can't. Are you kidding me? I'm not gonna eat the spider. It poisons me. How do you even make the perform spider eye? I wanted to get that years ago. You know why? Because I lag inside of that. Just kidding. It's not because I lag inside of water, it's because like I feel like all my worlds are haunted. It's weird because of all the lag and like weird stuff happening. Like sheep saying moo. Never mind, they say bah. What? Hold on. Oh! It's beautiful. Too bad I don't have an infinite supply of snow. Bye, have a great time. I never killed the snow golem. Nobody saw any of that. How do you only get 7 when you like use 2 blocks of snow? You know what I'm gonna do? Wait, can we have like snow golems inside of the desert? I know they suffocate in water, like instantly, just like Pluto. I'm literally getting creeped out these weird zombie sounds. It's like weird. I know it's weird. I just said it's weird. Okay, so in order 15-minute videos or so. Snowball fight. The roof doesn't like playing snowballs. That's snow. 9 snow. Wow. Too bad I can't have any snow golems in the desert. Desert. And for desert, I want snow golems. Spider eyes. Spider eye equals spider eye plus you eating spider eye equals you dying from poison. What in the world is wrong with my computer? It's like super laggy. I can't even spin sometimes. Hold on a sec. I wanted to get up here, but I can already touch it. So like maybe my next video, like tomorrow, I'll like have like a time with like one of my fans, as in friend, as in sister, as in somebody of mine. I knew that they were there too. Come on, people! I want to go mine. Yeah, we can go mine. This is how to mine. Technically, if I find diamonds, I'm just gonna carry this with me. I don't use it when I die. By the way, I turned off game will keep inventory. Ow. That hurts. That's also why I'm wearing armor. Just kidding. Who turned off game will keep inventory? Well, technically, it kind of makes it too easy on Xbox. Well, that's what William said. I hear a witch. Oh no. I hate lag. You know, sometimes when the lag's hardcore, Herobrine can spawn. It's weird. It's really weird. Like Herobrine once spawned when I was like really laggy. It was really weird. I forgot my torches. I'm an idiot. This is going to take a long time. Everybody that's watching this, there's going to be no mining today. By the way, guys, bye everybody that's watching this video. I want to change my YouTube channel name right now because I can't even find it. I tried searching my YouTube channel name on the internet and I can't even find it. You literally have to like subscribe to yourself to be able to find yours. Okay, guys, like, I don't have an outro. Sorry, everybody, that I don't have an outro in my really laggy Minecraft, and, like, I don't even have an intro. Yeah, you don't need that stuff. It literally wastes your recording time. Bye. I'm still lagging.